who was like you'd say like the natural gifted one among the male actors? Like I know you guys you dance so well.
Amit ji, Govinda. I mean, these are like amazing.
You did that
naturally. Yes, that's right. That's the song I did with them.
Movement.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Bhagwan Dada movement.
Bhagwan Dada movement. Yeah. That you.
Yeah, we did that too in the song. We've done a little bit of that, and of course, Govinda, such a lovely dancer. So I had like two great dancers around me, and we really had.
His was that grin on his face, whatever movement he was doing, he had a grin on his face.
No, I think, Govinda, it's one thing just to do a movement. It's another to feel it, to feel what you do. I always say you don't have to be perfect. Even if you just stand, sometimes, there's some people who just move and it just looks great because they feel the music, they feel the movement, they feel there's a interpretation in your own mind about every move that you make.
Did the directors like Zabardasti put in songs with dances in just because they knew that, we're taking Madhuri, we have to have a song?
Well, there was a point, there was a phase where they thought that abhi Madhuri Dixit ko liye to gana to hona chahiye film mein. And it used to be like good songs, and that kind of worked for me. Because then I ended up getting lovely, great songs, in every movie of mine. Yeah.
And among the younger generation, which male actor would you think?
There's so many.
There's that Aagre Ka Ghagra, Ranbir. Oh my God, that's phenomenal.
Ranbir is good. I mean, most of the male performers, like Shahid Kapoor is very good. Ishan is very good on stage. I saw him perform on stage and he was amazing. There's, of course, Govinda, like I say, he's the all-time. Hrithik Roshan is so good. Oh my God, when he dances, it's like poetry, literally. So all these are like.
But you also acted with Anil Kapoor, who isn't really a great dancer, but he has that timing.
He has the energy and the timing, which works for him. He might have his footwork might not be right, but his expressions and just that energy that he brings to his song.
1, 2, couple.
Oh yeah.
That was so good.
That's what I say. You don't have to be like a perfect dancer, but you just feel the music and you know how to move, and that's it.
You guys made a great pair with you and Anil Kapoor. It was like fabulous. And among the women dancers, the face-offs that you've done, I can think of with Aishwarya as the most stunning one with Dola.
Yes. And that song was stunning. Yeah. And the choreography was stunning.
Everything, the cinematography.
And of course, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, his sets and the costumes and the way he shoots the songs.
How did you dance with that costume? Wasn't it very heavy?
It was very heavy. Both of us were like, oh my God, But you dance. I mean, Kahe Ched Ched Mohe, that maroon lehenga which I wore for Kahe Ched Ched Mohe. Yeah. Like the dressmen, like 2-3 of them used to lift it like this and get it. Literally.
Really?
Yeah, it was very heavy.
No, even that one, Maradala.
That also was a very heavy costume. All the costumes were very heavy in the movie because the movie was grand. It was big, larger than life. So the costumes had to be that way, and not look false. Like they had to look real.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दो?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.